Hello everyone and welcome to a special Lego edition of Dangerbot.
That's right, thanks to our friends over at REBRICKULOUS, we got our hands on 3 awesome Lego sets. We've already built them, and now we're going to use ROBOPUNCH to rapidly deconstruct them.
What does rapidly deconstruct mean?
You know, it's gonna explode, but because it's Lego, we can put it back together. Let's get started! Okay, first up is this awesome Technic Truck. This set was really fun to build and has cool details like an engine with working cylinders and a built-in crane for unloading. To make it more fun to ROBOPUNCH, we decided to fill the cargo container with a bunch of red bricks and add a minifigure version of me in the driver's seat. Charging!
Still fires up.
Shut off the blow-off valve, open the main valve.
Oh god! Ready to ROBOPUNCH in 3, 2, 1, fire! Oh, it's so cool! Wow, that was really fun! The red bricks exploded so well.
I blinked and I missed it.
Red bricks everywhere.
Whoa!
Punch! All the guts. Lego Erik. There he is. You didn't lose your head, but you did lose all your hair.
So a lot of this really stayed intact. Should we check out the slow motion?
Yeah, let's check out the slow motion.
Oh, nothing's happening yet.
Wait, oh, there it goes. Oh! 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 And now the red part.
Yeah!
Oh, the red, it just like took the face right off.
That's so cool. I feel like we should be learning about physics watching this.
Well, as the light catches like the flat shiny edges, they
sparkle.
The base of the truck pretty much like stayed intact. This is a tough truck. All right, for our next round, we are gonna punch this amazing carousel set, which Pisha built. How are you feeling about your creation?
I've grown very, very attached to all the little animals on the carousel, and I'm not looking forward to seeing all their happy faces in bits and pieces.
This is your first like big, huge Lego set, right?
Yes, all by myself. I put it all together and it was very easy to follow the instructions and I very much enjoyed it.
Before our rapid deconstruction, we added a Lego motor and battery to make the carousel spin faster and added a minifigure version of me to my favorite animal, the frog. I don't want to punch it.
3, 2, 1, fire!
That was beautiful.
My hair is the very first thing you see when we walk out. Oh my gosh. Oh, here she is.
I think I could pull this look off. Just saying.
Oh, that sound you hear, that is the sound of the still currently running engine. Oh, and look at everybody here is still enjoying the show. They're still like, we're having fun.
Slow motion, here we go. Let's see the feedback. Playback? Let's watch let's watch. I like the ticket guy and the grandma and like the grandson in the background. Just
Get ready, Grandma. Oh, here it comes. Oh!
Oh, ouch, my minifigure.
Look at that wheel.
Ow. And then the grandma is still like, camera in hand, like, oh, I forgot to hit record.
Can you do it again?
Do it one more time for me.
On to the next experiment. For our grand finale, we'll be rapidly deconstructing the assembly square. This massive 4,002-piece set is the biggest Lego project I've ever built and took me a couple days to complete. Each of the 3 floors has a ton of detail and includes rooms like a dance studio, cafe, and dentist's office. To amp up the demolition, we added colorful Lego pieces to each of the 3 floors and had our Lego alter egos enjoying a nice afternoon coffee at the cafe.
Assembly square, more like disassembly square. Ugh.
So we're gonna charge. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. Assembly square rapid deconstruction in 3, 2, 1. Scary.
That was awesome. So many Lego pieces.
So colorful.
Dun 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 dun. Our little dog friend is still sitting at the cafe. He's like, why doesn't someone bring me a bowl of water? This service sucks. There's you.
You found me?
I found you. Hair and coffee cup, both intact.
I'm straight chilling.
Mmm.
Fair trade?
Delicious. Oh, this guy must have been the photographer. I don't see me. You know what that means? I spontaneously combusted and therefore shall survive infinitely.
Bird's still standing.
Nature found a way. Yes, I'm just gone.
Sad. Pisha, are you okay?
I want to know what happened to me.
Bye, Pisha. Oh! Whoa!
Oh!
All the colors, yellow, green, orange.
Wow, that really shows up so clearly.
Look at the top, look at the steeple like flipping. That's like...
That's art. That's art.
That is an explosion of color.
If you say it's not art, I'll...
What are you gonna do?
ROBOPUNCH you? I can't say that.
All right, everyone, that wraps up this episode. Huge thank you to Lego and the team over at REBRICKULOUS for making this episode possible.
And speaking of REBRICKULOUS, we were just guests on their show where we got to use some of these same Lego sets to do a really fun, crazy Lego robot build-off challenge.
It's called Hack the Pack. To check out that special crossover episode, check out the link in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.
Thanks.